Hi everyone, this is Brad. If you're ever looking for a simple and free to use whiteboard, check out apps.mathlearningcenter.org/whiteboard. Talked about this in the past. Amazing website itself. But if you're just looking for a simple simple whiteboard, go ahead. You can type in a text and just say, whatever it is you'd like. You can change the size as well if you'd like it to be, a little bit larger. Do that. You can move it around. You can go ahead and change the color as well if you want to go ahead and do that. So that's with any of these options in here. You can go ahead and put a math problem out there. Then you can move it around if you want to change it again. Obviously, you can go ahead in and change just that one in there. You can move it over here. Right in here, you have some freehand drawing. So you can go ahead, draw what you like. If you want to clear that, what you can do is just erase all drawing. It only clears the freehand, which is great. Then if you come down in here, what you can do actually is line thickness. So let's go ahead and say we want this arrow. So then you just select right here and you can see there's your arrow. Obviously, if you want to do another one, you can go ahead in here. And apologies for that one. We want to select here and here. And then you can stretch it out as well. Simple and easy to use. Down in here, what you can do, right in here, you can obviously start over. You can toggle zoom if you want to. You can also, I really like this, the ability to cover something up. So if you'd like, you can just go ahead in and cover it. Then if you want to see it, you can just select here. So if you had some answers to problems, so on and so forth. So really, really, really simple to use. You can duplicate, delete. You even go ahead and open shared work. You can then share as well as any kind of information you'd like. Shares more about how to use it right in here. So there you go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.